Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and in today's video we will unbox and review the November value box, and I'm pretty sure it's one of the best affordable boxes of November for at least makeup lovers. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is how the package is arrived. So we have a white cardboard box on which Sonam is written, and everything has come well bubble wrapped inside. So the first product, and no doubts the star product in this box, is this eyeshadow palette from Matte Look. It says Studio Highlight Palette Velvet Matte Texture. It is the eyes and face edition because it has 2 blushes and 2 compacts as well. Here it says Studio Highlight Palette with gorgeously vivacious color of spring flower. It is used before 7/2019 and it has 25 grams of product. Here are the ingredients list as well. It says it has velvet matte texture and the shade number of this palette is 03. And this has an amazing package as well, guys. Just look at that packaging. It is so nice and classy, very sturdy, and something that looks very premium. Can you imagine getting such an eyeshadow palette in a box priced below 500 rupees? And just look at those shades. They are so pretty. All are matte eyeshadows, which I completely love. And it has a great combination of colors. It has blue, green, pinks, reds, and of course the basic nude and the black shade. As they said, there are 2 blushes and 2 compacts in the palette, and it does come with this applicator as well. But I might just use my brushes. But you can definitely use the applicator if you want. I am loving the palette so much. It has such vibrant, nice shades. And I have been planning to get some of those bright matte palettes, and I'm so happy to receive this now. Let me show you guys some swatches. Just look at that pigmentation. It is so nice. Oh my god, that is a single swipe, guys. It has so much of color payoff in just a single swipe. And the eyeshadows are also very blendable. They are not too chalky like most matte eyeshadows. Let me try the green one. I am very happy with the color payoff. They are so pigmented. I am very happy with the swatches and the quality. They are not at all chalky. They are very creamy and they blend very nicely as well. Single swatches are giving so much of color payoff. So I am very happy with the palette. And as I told, even the packaging is really nice. It has a mirror also. And it is very sleek. You can easily carry it anywhere you want. Definitely very happy with this product. Then the next product is from our well-known brand Fuchsia, and this is the Lavender Love Hydrating Facial Toner of 50 ml, and the cost of this product is 250 rupees. Here are the list of ingredients. I already have the 100 ml bottle of this and it's really good. Does what a toner is supposed to do, has a very pleasant fragrance. And it comes with a spray nozzle too. I prefer to spray on directly, but you can obviously apply with cotton as well if you want. So a very good product, I would say. Toner is something that we use in our daily skincare routine, so definitely very happy to receive this. Up next we have the Saw Beauty Solutions Like a Diamond Face and Body Scrub. It has dried rose petals, almonds and wild turmeric. And it has, I guess if I remember correctly, 11 to 12 more potent herbs in this, which is not mentioned in the ingredients. It is enriched with the goodness of antibacterial ingredients. Like a Diamond Scrub is a dream come true for all your skin problems. It reduces dryness, redness, dullness, oiliness, blackheads, whiteheads, facial hair, acne and dark spots. So this is a 60-gram product priced at 250 rupees and it expires in 8/2021. I have this one too. It was a part of a previous box as well and I had got it separately as well from Saw Beauty directly. It is 100% natural and handmade Upton with many potent herbs. So it works quite well on its claims. You need to use it as any Upton, make a paste, apply and rub it off when it is almost dry. This is how the powder looks like. It doesn't have that great packaging, but the product is really good. and that is what actually matters, right? And then there is this Ayurvedic Vedantika Herbals Instant Glow Face Mask. This is a 10-gram sample product which is priced at 35 rupees. It has all the ingredients listed here and how to apply it as well. It says use once or twice a week. Well, this again is a very good brand. I have liked their products in past, and who doesn't like glowing skin which looks naturally highlighted? So very happy to receive this too. I think this will last for around 3 to 4 uses for your face. And then we have this super cute Mitti Se soap. It is the green tea walnut handcrafted soap, cold pressed, moisturizing and exfoliating. It contains green tea essential oil of lime, wheat germ oil, layer of walnut scrub, vegetable glycerin, vegetable oil and soaponifying agent. Suitable for all skin types, free from harsh chemicals and no animal products. Well, first of all, I love the packaging of this one. Just look at this. It actually comes wrapped inside a leaf, which is so awesome, and the soap itself is really good too. I really liked it last time I received, so quite happy to receive this cute soap. And then there is a small free gift, which is a piece of jewelry. This is how the studs look like. They're black with the golden border, and they're really cute and nice, and definitely something I would wear. I like using such simple jewelry on daily basis, so I like this a lot. So those were all the products in the November value box, which is priced at just rupees 4.99, including shipping, which I think is a total value for money. Let's have a look at the product pricing. We already know the price of these 3 products. This soap is also priced at 35 rupees, and this eyeshadow palette is priced at 4.99, which itself is the price of the entire box, including all these products and shipping. The total cost including shipping goes beyond 1200, which makes it a steal deal at just rupees 4.99, especially considering how good these products are. No doubts the eyeshadow palette is the star product, but I have also used all the other skincare products and they are really good too. So everything is of my liking. Definitely very happy with the box for its price tag. If you are a makeup lover, you might have already decided to buy the box by now. So I'll mention all the details on where to order in the description box below. You can place the order on their website and then you can make the payment on Paytm. And please don't forget to mention your order number, name, phone and email in the Paytm description while paying. I'll mention all the details clearly in the description box. And also do participate in the 3K giveaway running on my channel if you haven't already. I'll leave a link to that in the description box as well. And then there is an offer along with the box. You can get this paddle brush from their previous box at just an additional cost of rupees 50. No shipping, nothing extra. It will be a total of 5.49 including shipping, in which you will be getting the entire box with all these contents and this hairbrush. So no doubt I grabbed this offer, got myself another one to keep in stock for later, cause this has actually helped me in reducing hair fall while combing due to tugging and pulling of hair. It's a good material too. I'm using it currently and liking it, and getting it for rupees 50 later. A product of this quality will not be possible for me. They're giving it for stock clearance, so I wanted to let you guys know about that as well. And I too got a new one for myself. So that was all for the unboxing and review of the November value box. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and show some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.